Okay guys, so today we are going to dive into the world of reseller hosting and talk about how you can become a successful hosting reseller. So that means that if you've been considering starting your own hosting business, well, this video will answer all these questions. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first and most important step is to find your niche. So why is that exactly? Well, basically your niche will dictate who your target audience is. So who will you be focusing on? Will it be small businesses, perhaps artists, bloggers, or even gamers? Because once you've found your niche, you will tailor your services specifically for that niche. Therefore, you will stand out from the crowd. Now, finding your niche will help you fine-tune and tailor your services specifically for that target audience. And as a result, they will really appreciate that. And also, you will stand out from the rest of the offerings, from the rest of the marketplace. So let's say, for instance, you are targeting mainly online stores. You could have a specific offer around e-commerce websites specifically. Again, the more specific your offer is, the better you can serve your marketplace and the more chances you have to attract more customers as well. Next, also a very important step is to select the right hosting provider whom to partner with. Basically here, and I can't emphasize this enough, this decision can make or break your business. So first, make sure that they provide performance and also reliability. So this is a big one, reliability. Check their uptime, because if your servers are down very often, well, this is not going to be good for your business. People will complain and they'll leave you. And also, you want a provider that offers scalable plans, because obviously as you grow, you want them to be able to provide you all the resources required as you do so. So next, you have white labeling solutions. So obviously this is something you have to look for. White labeling basically lets you use their services, their infrastructure, but under your own name, your own logo, and your own branding. So again, that's a big one, because with white labeling, none of your customers will ever know that you are using third-party services. And another one to look out for is to make sure that your hosting provider provides 24/7, 365 customer support. Again, that's a big one as well. Excellent. So now that you have your hosting provider sorted, you need to start thinking about building and creating your different packages. So obviously you need to look out for different types of requirements that people might have. So you can start maybe with basic, standard, and then premium, and offer different features for each one of them. Okay, so now let's address the marketing side of things, because you can have the best hosting, the best plans, the best offer in the world. If nobody knows about it, well, you're not going to generate a single sale. So for this, the first thing you need to do is to build and create your own website. And then there's also social media platforms, obviously. So find groups of people on there and then interact with them. And that way you'll generate more traffic and more sales to your own website. So the next one is crucially important as well when it comes down to hosting, is the customer service. When you provide hosting services, customer service is absolutely crucial. People need to feel that they can count on you. Whatever problem they have, reply immediately, sort out the issue immediately, and you will gain a lot of followers and a lot of customers. Next tip is to keep up with the newest technologies. Now, clearly, the hosting industry is a fast-moving industry, so you have to keep up with the latest technology and make sure that everything is up to date on your servers. Like, for instance, faster servers, better security, and better control panel. All of these will make a huge difference. Now, as your business grows, you want to make sure that you manage your clients effectively, and all the invoices and all the transactions, all of that under the one roof. And for this, you can use tools like WHMCS, which contains all the tools you need to start a web hosting business today. And obviously everything is geared towards automation. And as always, WHMCS is available via Verpex as well. Finally, let's talk about some of the common mistakes you might want to avoid.
Oh no.
So the first one is jumping into reseller hosting without really understanding how it works. So first, learn the basics before you start. Another mistake is choosing the wrong hosting provider. And like we said, this is a deal breaker. It can make or break your business. So choose wisely. And our last final tip is don't overpromise. In this industry, in the hosting industry, you want to make sure that whatever you promise, you can deliver. So if you can deliver, don't promise it in the first place. And there you have it, guys. To become a successful hosting reseller, you need 3 things: planning, effort, and also the right tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a like, also subscribe, and perhaps share with all of your friends who might be interested in this topic as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.